Hey guys, just look in chat so you know what I said. Now, come on people, I'm trying to survive here. Brit me, bro, Brit me. So yeah, okay, let me get started. Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm with my cousin Junior. Today we are playing Floodscape 2. Let's go. Guys, I want to interrupt this. Oof! Cave system. Oh my snot. Oh my snot. I won't be talking much, so let's just keep going. Let me go get my Dorito. Your Dorito. Junior's gonna tell him about you. Junior, tell us about Black Ice. Oh, wow. What? What? I'm not Spanish. Okay, Junior. I'm a pro at everything. Yeah, that's about himself, people. That's about. Yeah, that's him. That's totally him. He's a pro at everyone, guys. Oh my gosh. He's actually the pro master at this game, people. I cannot lie. I cannot lie. I cannot tell lie, people. Not tell lie. What? I hate this part, man. I hate this part. I got lost last time. And I fell. Whoa! Wow! Wait, what? Am I not supposed to be here or something? Let me go drown. I'm gonna drown for some reason. I'm stuck. Now I'm just gonna drown. Level up. We leveled up. I'm a pro at everything. It's true, guys. It's true, guys. It's the guys. I meant to say it's true, guys. He's a pro. But I'm actually looking like a pro. Increased charge. I just followed Junior because I need help and I'm a noob at this. Well, he's a noob because he just got hit by a tree. Obviously. So about myself, I love the Master Dad. He's like the best. I hate this part. I die at this part. I always die at the part. Okay. I I'm not gonna make it, people. Whoa! 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 Told you. Told you.
To find out more about Marvel Bay at Sea, your parents can visit DisneyCruise.com. When you team up with good friends, you can make your imagination go well.
This is the last round, people. Don't be mad because you don't know how to swim. Oh! I'm a noob at this round, people. I'm telling you right now. I am a noob. Will we go this way? Oh no! I'm telling you, I'm a noob. I can't die here. I'm gonna die. Okay, here we go. Oh no, it's acid. It's acid. I'm not going in no acid again. People, what you think I am? An acid pro? What is it? Oh no, wait, I have to go over there. Oh, no! Rip me. Okay, guys. Thanks. I'm gonna take a screenshot. Junior, come to me when you done. YT. What boy? I'm just waiting till he comes because I want to give him a, well, you know, a screenshot. Cause anytime I end a vid, I give people a screenshot that were helping with me.
Yes, I did.
I'm gonna just spectate him. He's gonna have to die at some point, bro. Come on, just die. I wanna give you a screenshot. Oh snap! He dying. Junior. Where are you? Boy. Bye everyone.